Mastering Free Cups and Mugs Mockups Photoshop Tutorial. Welcome back to HLGRAPHICS. In this tutorial, we're diving into the world of cups and mugs mockups. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, mockups are essential for showcasing your designs in a realistic way. And the best part, we're focusing on free resources. In this fourth installment of our mockup series, I'll guide you through various websites where you can find a plethora of cups and mugs mockups absolutely free. From trendy coffee cups to elegant tea mugs, we'll cover it all. Plus, I'll demonstrate how to seamlessly integrate these mockups into your designs using Adobe Photoshop. So, grab your favorite beverage and join me as we explore the exciting realm of cups and mugs mockups. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the skills to elevate your design presentations to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest tutorials. Let's get started on mastering cups and mugs mockups together. Let's embark on our exploration into the realm of cup and mug mockups. Open Google and search for free download cup and mug mockup. You'll encounter numerous websites offering a variety of cup and mug mockups at no cost. Allow me to demonstrate. Now let's start our work. The website I have chosen here is called Behance. Here I will download a mug and show you how we can add our design or logo to it. I will show you how to change it. I've chosen a mug that's completely free and will show you for different styles. I will also give its link in the description box below. I'm downloading it. There is a link above. Open it. For more links will open in front of you. These are for different styles of the same mug. I will open them all and show you one by one. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to my work so that I can make better videos for you with more effort and research that will benefit you. Let us now come to our main task. On the right-hand side, there is Layer Panel where design is written. There is a small box which is Smart Object Thumbnail. Double-click on it, a new page will open in front of you. There is already a design on it. Close the design and you have any logo or any design already made in Illustrator or anywhere else. You can drag it. Cross the top and press the Yes button in front of you. You will see that design is now there on your mug. Similarly, you can put any design on this mug. Similarly, we take another style of mug and do the exact same process with it. Here the only change we will make is that we will change the color of our logo. Here I am using yellow instead of white, so yellow logo will appear on top of the mug and you can also change the color. Now I have taken you to another website, which is called FreePick. Write cup and mug mockups, so many cups and mugs will go in front of you. Click on Free and click on PSD. Then you will see that you will have a wonderful collection. Download it and use it. Here I have selected a very beautiful mug. Now I will download it. You can see how to download.
Okay.
Double-click on the PSD link and the mug will appear in front of you in Photoshop. Now go to the Layer Panel and do exactly the same as I told you before how to use the mug. Here is another change that you can change the background of the mug apart from the logo. Here I will show you how to change the background and use them to see how I do it, so you can change both the background and the logo and create a brand new mug. Go to Google and search and you will find many free backgrounds. I am sure now you should be able to download the mockup and use it as per your design. If you have any query, please feel free to ask. Thank you very much for watching the video.